How can recovering behavioral addicts deal with changes in relationships?
Changes in your relationship as a part of recovery is an extraordinarily important dimension. Not only after recovery starts, but you have to realize that your relationships have evolved as a function of being involved in this destructive behavior. You have moved away probably people that don't support your involvement in the destructive behavior. You have brought in people that do support it. So your relationships are kind of askew when you find yourself in a position that you want to take on a recovery process. So we need to start from that point. Once you start to invest in proactive, healthy, goal-oriented activities, you need to recognize that you're doing a dance with people, and that you're sort of like on a chessboard or something where people are going to react to the new you. They don't know what's been going on between your ears. They only know what's going on behaviorally. Your relationships with your spouse and your children and your employer and your best friend might change dramatically. There's a lot of need for dialogue between yourself and those people that you're going to keep in your life. Keep them abreast of what's going on. Help them realize that you're changing from the cha-cha-cha to the tango, and that they should, help you make this evolution to the tango and not fight it. There may be features that come out of your recovery that they don't like. You may be a little bit more short-tempered. You may be not as willing to write off their bad habits, and you're starting to call them. Best practices involve discussion, open dialogue. Use a third person, a mental health practitioner, to help you make those discussions happen. Help the other by helping them read a book. There is much to be done in the relationship world as part of recovery. You cannot possibly do it without addressing your relationship world, your environment, and the people you interact with on a daily basis. In fact, if that doesn't change, you probably haven't recovered at all.